The political landscape of South Africa is on the verge of a seismic shift as Julius Malema, leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, faces a pivotal moment in his career. On Monday, September 29, 2025, the East London Magistrates Court is set to deliver its judgment in a high-profile case involving Malema's alleged unlawful discharge of a firearm during the EFF's 5th anniversary celebrations in 2018. This case has not only captured the nation's attention but has also become a focal point for debates surrounding political accountability and the rule of law. The incident in question occurred at Sisa Dukash Stadium in Dansane, where Malema allegedly discharged a firearm during a celebratory rally. The charges against him have been a subject of contention, with supporters viewing the case as politically motivated, while critics argue it underscores the need for accountability among public figures. The trial, which began in 2019, has seen multiple postponements, including delays due to the presiding magistrate's illness at the end of 2024. Despite these setbacks, the court proceeded with closing arguments on July 21, 2025, reserving judgment until the scheduled date. The outcome of this case holds significant implications for Malema's political future and the broader political climate in South Africa. An acquittal could bolster his position as a formidable opposition leader, reinforcing his stance against perceived injustices and galvanizing his supporters. Conversely, a conviction might tarnish his public image, potentially eroding the trust of his constituents and providing ammunition to his political adversaries. The ruling is anticipated to influence the dynamics leading up to the 2029 general elections, where the EFF aims to increase its representation in the National Assembly. Beyond the immediate legal ramifications, this case has sparked a broader discourse on the standards of conduct expected from political leaders. It raises questions about the balance between political expression and public responsibility, and the extent to which public figures should be held accountable for their actions. The judgment could set a precedent for how similar cases are handled in the future, potentially influencing the behavior of politicians and the expectations of the electorate. As the nation awaits the court's decision, the atmosphere is charged with anticipation. Supporters of Malema have rallied behind him, viewing the charges as an attempt to undermine his leadership and the EFF's platform. Opponents, however, argue that the case is a necessary step in ensuring that all individuals, regardless of their political stature, are subject to the law. The forthcoming judgment is not merely a legal matter but a reflection of the nation's commitment to justice and the principles of democracy. For those keen on staying informed about this unfolding situation, subscribing to this channel will provide timely updates and in-depth analyses. We will continue to monitor the developments surrounding this case and its implications for South African politics. Your engagement and support are invaluable as we navigate these critical moments together.